Hello, my name is Caitlin, and today I'd like to once again take a look at the Animal Crossing website, but this time analyzing it using the 6 principles of design, with those being contrast, focal point, balance, movement, rhythm, and unity. This website blends everything from its colors to its shapes and textures to create a strong sense of unity. We have colors that, while contrasting, such as red and green and blue and orange, are quite complementary to each other. So they're not too harsh and they still work well together. As the game focuses on living in nature, the palette used highlights the greens of grass and the blue of the sky, with the red and orange fitting a more fall theme, and the red appropriate for the holidays, which you do also get to experience throughout the game, as it does have real-time holidays, so any holiday that's coming up you'll be able to experience in the game alongside your villagers that you're living with. And the repetition of these colors in this color palette is a strong display of rhythm, as using these repeated color schemes that are complementary and fit the theme of nature really kind of drive in that idea of having your own island to live with your villagers in nature. And the website keeps most of the images and graphics towards the center of the page, with appropriate spacing around to balance and let it breathe. And keeping the website with this balanced, centered approach keeps everything really streamlined. So rather than your attention kind of jumping all over the place as you scroll down, it's sort of keeping that information easy for you to access so you don't have to bounce around the page looking for it, because everything is right here, centered in the middle. And finally, the focal point. So the focal point in this website is quite clear. It's the first thing we see upon loading, and that is the characters. As these mascots are a big selling point, we see them frequently throughout the page, both with the birthday announcements and just through the general announcements, like we have them here in the loading page, again through the news, and then through the products. As Animal Crossing focuses on creating your island with your little animal villagers to befriend and spend your time with, including them is essential when considering the focal point for the website. So overall, I think Nintendo has done a great job with this Animal Crossing homepage. It really adds elements from the series that overall create a visually appealing and easy to access and navigate experience. It very clearly incorporates a lot of the principles of design, in my opinion, as everything feels like it belongs here. Nothing feels out of place or too jarring. It's very straightforward and just very visually appealing and fits the overall cute vibe of the game. I have a lot of personal love for this series, so getting to look at it through a design standpoint rather than just my, typical bias of enjoyment was really fun to do. And thank you for joining me. Bye.